With its latest update, Instagram has introduced several new features. One of them is Instagram Frames, where you can add a frame to your photos and make your stories even more interesting. Let me show you how you can use Instagram Frames too. Open the Instagram app and add a photo to your story. Now, let's move on to adding a frame. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Find the Frames button and click on it. Select a photo from your phone's gallery that you want to add to the frame. I will add the same photo, but you can choose a different one from the background photo. Another new feature is that you can add a title to the photo. I will write Happy Summer. After that, press Done in the top right corner. Now you can position and resize the photo in the frame. And that's it. In a few steps, you've created a modern and interesting story. Share the story. And now for the best part. Your followers won't be able to see the photo in the frame unless they click on it or shake their phone. You'll agree that Instagram has become a more creative place with this new update. I believe you'll like this feature. Like the video, comment on it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.